Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. This is a gist coming out of the ultimate love show. Kachi showered praises on Rosie. Kachi and Rosie, the ultimate love couple, are really giving out sweet moments to viewers. He woke up this morning and started showering praises on Rosie. This was how their conversation went. Kachi: "Good morning, my beautiful Rose." Then Rose replied, "Morning, honey." Then Kachi went further to say, "I love you, Rosie. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. You are everything I want in a woman and more. The woman I've been waiting for. Oh baby, where have you been all my life? I don't ever want to breathe without you by my side. Please be my forever." What a sweet and emotional moment between the couples as they get closer to the end of the show. Kachi already said he's bringing a wife home immediately after the Ultimate Love show and is ready to protect her interests as well. This couple, Rosie and Kachi, are the highlight of the Ultimate Love show because of how they have been able to develop their relationship. Kachi and Rosie relationship keeps growing, and I pray God see them through till the end. Okay guys, what do you think about this their relationship? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.